Today I'm going to show you how to remove the RGB lights from the Fifine A6T Ampligame. Everything that will be done in this video is hardware related. There's no way to remove RGB lights from this mic from software, so please do everything at your own risk. For this tutorial you just need electrical tape and a screwdriver. Also, shout out to this guy for finding a way how to disassemble this microphone. So we start off by removing the pop filter like this. Also, I did remove the shock mount, but you don't have to. I will just skip to the other part of the video. Above the writings, at this red circle, push hard with your fingers and the lid will pop out. You just need to squeeze in real hard. Then you remove this little cable by pressing the lock handle and then pulling it out. Also, you need to remove this other filter. Just gently remove it from the sticky sides and remove it like this. Make sure to do not steer. As I plug in the mic, the RGB lights will turn on and we will cover them up with electrical tape. There is also one RGB light here at the cap. You can remove these two screws to remove the mic plastic body, but I just want to cover all the lights without that. It will be just a little harder to cover them up. Put the filter back in and also insert the cable back into the cap. Also cover up the RGB light at the cap with electrical tape. And yeah, just put everything back up and you're good to go. So now, as you can see, the mic is plugged in. There is no RGB lights and it's working.